Hello and welcome all over the world, friends. How are you? 120 trades TP hit. This is not a miracle, friends. This is knowledge, unique knowledge of intraday trading. Just within 5 days, you can see the mostly trades is 90% trade is my TP hit. Who's possible? This is unique knowledge of Masters of Intraday course, and if you want to course and join me just 5 days, I can provide you my videos of methods and tools, and 15 days next for practically how to trade, how to take trades, how to stop loss, how to TP. This is my course fees is only 1000 US dollars. You can pay me on Skrill, PayPal, on my personal account, and join me, friends. If you are losing money in forex trading, you can join me and you can earn after 20 days. This is my guarantee. Secondly, you must have a experience of forex trading, futures, community, or any stock market 1 years, minimum 1 years. If you have experience, you can join me. You are watching my WhatsApp number, contact me on my WhatsApp number. Have a great and golden future. Thank you, guys.